Another day, another struggle. Sometimes I don't even know, brother. Tell me how get the opportunity to make some money, made the money, and in the process of making the money, shit happen when me have to get end up spend the money when me just make. So it's like me never make no money. Sometimes me know I don't even understand, bro. I don't understand. When I'm on the side of the fucking highway, plus me possibly have to go find somewhere to stay for the night because I can't drive the car go home in a state it's in. I'm have to go grab a bus because I have to stop like at intervals. So by the time I'm supposed to reach, drop off the car where it's supposed to go, and go grab a bus. It go too late, so I have to go find somewhere to stay. Document them things just so that I can, when I'm at a better place in life, I can just go back and look and see how I did have to go through certain shit. And also for the purposes of people out there, when them, cause more time when you see some people are winning, and when you never like the struggle them with them did have to go through and them shit, they only never see it, so I probably feel like them not deserve the wins that they're getting. People, everybody go through shit, dog. It's just that some of we can document it and some of us don't. And I choose to document it because when I at a place in a life where I'm just good again. You can go back and look and say blood clean. Look upon all the shit we that go through. Yeah, so this is for that purpose. I check back in with other people. Just like me telling you, I was not going to be able to catch the bus based on the time when we reach back. So I find this little hotel spot. I one of the ends hotel there, you see me, if you know, you know. Go buy some food. Funnily enough, yesterday I never eat no dinner. I see them type of shit they catch me now. Buy them like a snack thing here. Eat in the morning as breakfast. Juice of some sort. And then I go drink Gatorade. Get some Barbie fry. Zoom, focus. Sometimes I say go man, you have to just shit happen and you just adapt. So one day I drive past and I see it. I just happen to see the sign we say a hotel there so and the rates are low and all them things. I say, I keep that in the back of me. You never know when you might need it. And that's something I do from time to time, when I see certain little things that I might need and I just make a mental note of it. Turn around and say, I need it. Make a space. It's small, but feel like one of them spaces that were comfortable enough for one night. And I probably say, Kevin, you couldn't call somebody if you could stay with them. I could have, but sometimes you just don't want to bother people, Virgin. And you say, I call you and you hesitate even a little bit, but you still say yes. I can feel uncomfortable, I put you out of your way and them things. I don't want to put nobody out of them way, man. This is my mess, my problem, so I just find my solution for it, So far it's decent. I get a bed, a table in the bathroom. I'm going to show you that. What I wish I had, and it's something that when you plan, say, alright, I always have a little bugout bag inside of the car for any little thing. You never know what can happen. You might have a stay over, you might have a go hospital. Whatever the situation, you can just have a bugout bag with the things them in there. And in your bugout bag, you have your rag, your soap, toilet paper, change of clothes, maybe 2-3 different sitting and change of clothes. garbage bag, that's what we would have put in our mind too. Underwear, extra underwear, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You know, deodorant, toothpaste, toothbrush, possibly a hat. Money, if you have money like that, you would just have a certain stash where you just leave in the bag there. Blanket, jacket, for like if rain or fall. Extra pairs of socks. Marina and them thing there if you are a man. Underclothes, them sit there, you see me? And pyjama. And you have the bugout bag there, and you just always have that packed. Just in case you have just grab sitting and go, always have it packed. I don't have it, and look at me now needing it. I have to put on the underpants on the wrong side. If you know, you know. When you put the underpants on the wrong side, it's a new underpants, completely. Honestly, I feel like I might wash this. I just take a shower still, because they just feel dirty and grimy. So just take a shower. I might go wash the underpants and hopefully by a morning they will dry. I have to check out by 11. And I don't know if I want to take the chance and be walking around without no drawers. Because I've lost so much weight that my pants don't really stay upon me. As small as my pants be, you don't really stay upon me again. Oh, in your bugout bag you also have like first aid things. I look at first aid kit. It's like I'm hungry but I'm not really hungry. Food, decent stuff. This is what the room looks like. You get that there. This here. TV. Mirror. Bathroom. And a rag. Yeah, it's a make adjustment. If I buy a rag and I also bought soap. But they do have soap here. But you see me? I know say that, I come see. Possibly. So I just buy my own soap. Irish Spring. There's no towels except for the face towels. I don't really know who rub them bars in that. Nah, lie, I kinda use one. But just because I never had a choice. It kinda bother me say, yo, I make the little money and I forgot spend it back. But imagine if I never make the money and I forgot spend money, then you know, that's a whole different thing. You go through certain little things in our life every day. I have to just deal with it as it is, you know? It is what it is, man. It happened. You find a solution, you work around it, and you just give thanks. One of the good things about this is it's been a while since I've slept on like a bed. So I'm gonna make the most of that. We carry radiator bus, so I'm not gonna come home tonight. So just go and look after Rena. Probably tomorrow before I come back home. We buy that big old bucket of water, yeah. We put in a car. But the radiator bus, it wouldn't even make no sense. But just for like help with the cooling down. Because when we have to do, I have to drive like 20 minutes, then stop, make it cool down. But we need to buy coolant and it still have enough coolant. Most I waste. Because when my sister say bus, or my brother say, oh, you know, say thing the bus. But I pour it in. I must about 3/4 buckle. I already poured it. You know, I don't know why it's not full up. One man say, oh, check if it's a leak. I look. I don't see nothing, then I go back. Then the brother say, yo, it's a leak, you know. I'm like, fuck. So I have this big old buckle. I walk around with, yo, whoever make them here, the handles, you don't need to do better, alright? These handles are not comfortable to walk around with, but I carry it. Yes, they are strong, but it's not comfortable. Alright? And it kill me the inside of my knuckles on them thing. If I carry this for long, can't kill you. I was going to leave it in the car, but I said no. Because I already figured I have to go spend the night. And wherever I spend the night, what if they don't have water? Clean drinking water, or even water for me use clean out myself. But they just bring it for that purpose. So now I have to go walk up on over there. The good thing is, when I don't know, they're far from where my the garage of my carry. Like it is walking distance, literally down the road. I know I'm hungry, I'm hungry, but I don't know, maybe I do feel stressed a little bit. Not stressed a little bit, stressed a fucking lot. I mean, just no want to eat. Like, when I look on the food, I'm just no want. When I think about it, like this morning, man, the weary if you wake up and say, I got work, you know. I never want to move. I say, no, I have to. On them days when you feel like you're not supposed to, or you don't want to, sometimes on them days you have to push through, you see me? Just go see me. And it turned out say it was going to be a good friggin' day. But then it just turned to shit. And there are so many things that I could have vlogged, you know, but you see the only piece of me really vlog. And when we up on the highway, one big accident happened and them sitting there. I don't think nobody is hurt. There were any casualties. But, you know, car tear up on them sitting there. I could have vlogged that. I just couldn't bother take out the camera. All the battery they saw that they saw like you wouldn't. All we did a focus on was just try to reach where I need to go, which is to the garage, without the car overheating and cause no friggin' bigger problems. Cause even the check engine light did come on, and I was just like, fuck. But they end up after I drop off the car, I have to walk, go up in a friggin' halfway tree. That's why I thought about the buckle and how the mash knuckle and feel like the can did start from. At one point I have to hug up the buckle. Reach a NCB machine, look inside, the line long. Luckily, because there were a lot of machines in there. And the line when we go in, it didn't move fast. And people never did go there and a lulale. You know, they just go there, draw their money, go about their business. What we want to get was a underpant, but remember too late. I got a gas station, say, alright, I'm not about to buy from like a liquor man on the roadside. I can't bother with that right now. If I got digging in my pocket for money and too much bangarang in my hand, so I'm sorry, I just make it to the gas station and get something to eat in the morning when I wake up. And I might like a thing. Like I'm telling you already some like sweets. Big up honey bun. When we get here the total of three of these, that's what we did take up on this year. When I heard the total, I said, well, you sure that type price? I said $800. So I said, how much for the donut then? $160. These donuts in the supermarket, I think it's $100 for profit. Even if them just sell it for like $120, $60 more. Like, that's crazy. So I will take back on I donut them, man. Take it back. Take it back. What is this? What are these white things on it? Oh, half of the fuzz off of the rug. I mean, if white on the ball, you see me? I don't know when would I do. If they never have no room, I feel like I would just go back at the garage and sleep in that car. Take out the car from out that garage, if I can't stay in that car, overway garage, and take out the car from over there and just park and gate that garage, sleep there until the morning when the mechanic falls. But I'm glad to get some reason. Well, finish eat, so I guess the next time when you see me is maybe like in the morning. But for now, may I sign off. I even see me in the morning. If you see a morning peace after this, then that was the end of the vlog. I go try eat, and then try to get some sleep. But you want to get toward the night time. Advil them so I can at least get a decent night's sleep. Good morning, people. Alright, night morning. So I was not gonna be able to brush my teeth tonight, right? But I do. You know, so the bag that I have, because I have a little bag, right? There. So in a way, it was kind of my like a bug out bag. And one of the things that I also think you should have in your bug out bag is, you know, dental floss, the pick kind. Okay, these right here. Yo, the fuzz is just everywhere, man. So these, Zine, and I'm not gonna be able to brush my teeth tonight, but as I see me just done its own food. So what I do, I floss, and because there's hot water here, then I kind of use that to help sanitize my mouth. And also what I use the dental floss to do, if you have a tongue scraper, you can use it, but I use the dental, this one, I use it to scrape my tongue. What a lot of people don't understand, especially with the current talks of whose breath is hot and whose is not, dental floss. Okay, you use this, and if you have it, if you don't, can get a tongue scraper. But for me, this is just as effective. Kind of barbaric. Jesus Christ, with all these fuzz off, man. Your tongue, if you listen to me as I know, if your tongue is pink, your breath won't stink. All right? If your tongue is white, it ain't all right. Alright, cool. But still brushing the teeth, though, Still brushing the teeth if you can. But in the instance when I can't, that's what I do. Hot water, sanitize your mouth, scrape your tongue, The funny, it is eerily close to the bed. Like, see my foot here? Look, see my foot here? My foot here. But anyway, the foot there I go with, but eerily close, man. Watch enough. But that's it, then. We come out with the final destination. You know what kind of nonsense can take place. You know, me feel about it. It's like the speed can't adjust. You don't see nothing to adjust the speed. Or even if you fly off, me just get conk. I'm good. I mean, the one telling is that they have Netflix, but me don't know what me want to watch. So I might just put on YouTube and go to bed. I like how I hear a whole heap of noise out the door still. Maybe I should take an AC room, brother. But the heat is not terrible now, And this is Kingston. Surprisingly, the heat not bad. Can't find nothing decent. And there might be decent shows there, but I just don't know what to watch. I don't know what to watch. I think we just want to go rest, Virgin. We just want to go sleep. We just want to go soak up what it is to like lay in a bed, bro. Just like a bed again. And it's been so long, man. I also have like a solitude, a big part personal space, bro. I like for just have my little space and my little ends and my little just a little zone there where me just sometime and I just relax. The introvert that I am would like to have personal space, Bridget. I try to sleep. What time now? 9:30. Oh my God. Try to sleep so I can wake up and late check out. Even though I don't never sleep so late. After a certain hours, when you're in a Kingston, Virgin, the place start cook. So you have to wake up, or if you don't want to wake up. The only way you sleep through that time if you have AC. So maybe it's a good thing I never got to the AC room. And the AC room I have to pay more money. I mean, they want to spend no more money than we already spend right now. This is something that I was thinking about gifting myself for Father's Day. A little hotel, what you call it? Like a trip for just chill out and them thing by myself and just soak up little pool water. Can just drink some liquor and frost and stumble down my room and sleep and anything. So in a way, I guess this is the universe giving me what I was thinking about. Again, you're stressed and depressed, but I've always remember say, you're blessed. There's some boondocks, brother.
Or afro, if you will.
You know why me buy a cold drink? Them did have one fridge downstairs, like with juice in there. If I had known that they had that type of place, then I wouldn't buy the drink because that I just get hot and probably disgusting if you drink it in the morning. But anyways, enough for stress me out already. Look at more people. I'm up. About just eat the liquor. 3 hours and 48 minutes left to check out. I just eat the little donut them we did buy and drink. A Minute Maid. Yeah, brother. Supposed to go up on the road about don't know what I go do. I go just check out at that time and just be it too. Just take another show. Yeah, so that basically it's the put on a movie and not even watch it. But I realize if you like the longest while in a life, a good while I'm gonna sit down and watch like a movie, just watch it. No interruptions, no nothing. Can't remember the last time I just fully engulfed by a movie or a show or whatsoever. It's like my mind always there somewhere else. Anyways, on the time we check out date, but because me have to go up on the road, go deal with the car and them sitting there, might as well just leave you now, you see me. One thing about leaving them, when you get a little comfortable spot, kind of hard to leave it, you know what I mean, and just go back. You go to the hotel and it's nice and food and you just relax and you know think about nothing, you know, and then you have to go back home where you have to think for cook and you have to clean and you have to do all of this and you kind of, it's a sad part of it. You know, I do too much talking still, I go lift up, you know. And this possibly is the end of the vlog. Not possible, this is the end, isn't it? Let's see how much footage we can scrape together and give them some to watch.